When refactoring AWS Lambda functions with Powertools, the choice between Claude and ChatGPT can affect code quality. Claude tends to produce more idiomatic Python with consistent use of Powertools decorators like at event_handler and at tracer.capture_method, often restructuring the code to reduce boilerplate. ChatGPT, on the other hand, may keep the original structure closer to the input but occasionally misses Powertools' best practices, like forgetting to import logger or using raw context instead of the Powertools lambda_context attribute. For a complex refactor involving multiple Lambda handlers, Claude's output required fewer manual fixes, about half the edits compared to ChatGPT's version. However, ChatGPT was faster to generate a first draft. The key takeaway: Claude offers more reliable adherence to Powertools patterns, but ChatGPT can be a useful starting point if you're willing to review and adjust its output.